Welcome to TerraceScope, where curiosity meets humanity. On August 16, 2025 at 3:30 p.m., we're exploring Zongta Grassland in Sichuan, China, a stunning high-altitude pasture 60 kilometers from Luhuo County, where mountains meet meadows and nature thrives. This place is so open, you'd think the sky decided to stretch out and take a nap. Watch those yaks strutting like their own place, and sheep scampering like they're late for a grass buffet. It's nature's playground, and we are here to soak in every wild whimsical moment. Meet our friends, a family embracing the freedom of the grassland. While Dad captured the beauty with his drone, Mo and the girls, their two daughters and niece, dance and play around the car, soaking in the wild energy. The girls steal the show. The younger and older daughters pull out their best quirky moves, racing towards the drone with pure joy. Together, the family celebrates this moment of connection with nature, from playful chaos to a heartfelt group pose. They are living the spirit of Zongta Grassland. This is TerraceScope, where we explore life with curiosity and passion. Ready for more adventures, cute animals, and cultural discoveries? Subscribe and join the journey.